In this Wix tutorial, let's take a very quick look at how to preview your site. So if you want to preview your site and it's not already published to a domain yet, what you can do is come up here in the upper right, next to the publish button is a preview button. So we can quickly click that. And what we can do here is preview the changes we've made. That's the difference between the live URL. If you haven't published these changes yet, you can make adjustments and then preview them. So we can come in here and preview our site as it looks on desktop. And we can click through our links much easier than in the editor. And we can also take a look at what it looks like on mobile. You see in the upper left-hand corner, we can switch between desktop and mobile. So you can preview your site on mobile as well and kind of scroll down through it, see what it looks like on mobile, and then also go back to desktop. And then once you're ready to go back to the editor, you can come up here to the right and click back to editor. Now we're back in the editor, and the other way to preview your site is if you do publish your site, what you can actually do is view the site at your free published URL, unless you have a branded domain already, but more than likely, maybe at first with sites, you're kind of working with a free URL. You can actually view the site at that URL. So this site is live at this URL, and you can actually share this with other people, and this is kind of similar to previewing, except that this is the actual live site. So if you wanted to copy a URL for people to go visit, you could do that, and then other people could actually preview your site. So that is how you can preview your website here on Wix.